Welcome to my unboxing of the Tello. I have this Tello from China. It's a different model from the global or international version. So let's take a look whether it's the same thing inside. Okay. What we have here will be the manual and a guide to how to remove the propeller. All this in Chinese, of course, because it's the China version of the Tello. What we have inside is the you can scan this for app, and also further information. If you understand Chinese, of course, you can go through. If not, you can go to online website, search for Tello user guide. You should be able to download the English version. And this is the battery we have from Fujiyama, if I'm not wrong. It's a proprietary battery, of course, good and bad. It's not so easily available. You can get it for about 19 USD from DJI website, or about $30 Singapore dollars. And we have spare propellers, 4 spare propellers, and a propeller remover too. So what I have here inside, let's open this up. Silicate gel. I love this attention to details. So this is very much not like the normal toy quadcopters. Let's get it out. Tight pack. Alright. Beautiful. Looks pretty awesome to me. Quality product. Okay, this is the drone itself proper. It feels very well in the hand, very sturdy, well built, compact, a bit weighty. The plastic used is of a very high quality resin that is quite malleable. Even the arms, sure, you can use some force, you can actually bend it a bit, so that would be good in case of like a crash. The motors are pretty big as well, and we have the camera, 720p, 5 megapixel. And here will be the charging port. It accepts a micro USB cable. And the battery compartment. Below we have the visual positioning system, which is very important if you want to have a stable flight. So there you have it. It's the Tello. Like my video if you feel like it, and subscribe for further notification. Thank you very much.